Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create text animations with After Effects. Let's get started. Let's create new background layer with solid, add name background and color. Let's for now choose black, click OK and go to Effects Presets, search Effect Gradient Ramp. Select Gradient Ramp, let's use for background layer and go to Start Color. Let's open inside and choose purple color. Click OK and go to End Color. Let's use eyedropper for choose this color and open inside, change to like this. Click OK and ramp shape. Let's choose here radial ramp and click swap colors and hold this point, move it down, and this point move to center. And this point again move to down. Okay, and for remove these lines, change ramp scatter 100. And lock layer, go to text layer. Let's write first text motion, clisation tool, and color. Let's choose white. And font size, let's change font size. Okay, and let's hold Alt, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center. Clisation tool, go to window and enable align and click this icon and this icon for move to center text layer. And let's Ctrl D for duplicate and let's change text design and select this text design, Ctrl D and double click for edit and write video. Clisation tool and select this motion. Let's move to left and video, let's move to right. Okay, we can move to left a little bit. So let's select again background and choose this color to dark like this. Click OK, lock again and select these 3 text layers. Go to 3 seconds or 2 seconds, press P and create new path in keyframe. And go to first second, move to down. And select keyframes, make it easy or click F9. Go to graph editor and let's choose last keyframe, move to left. Okay, select first keyframe, move to left. And back to keyframes, select last keyframes. For more speed animation, move to left, last keyframes. Okay, so in this time, let's hold Shift, press T, open opacity, and in this time, let's create opacity keyframe. Go to first second and change opacity 0, and select these only opacity keyframes and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, so in this time, select this design text, move to right for 2 keyframes, and video, move to right for 2 keyframes. Let's see. Nice, very good.